Locking on the job, si Miss Dawn Jimenez. Dawn, thank you so much. Dawn, please take your seat over here. And of course, we have our explosive bombshell for our January cover. Please welcome the lovely Miss Valerie Bangs Garcia. In the words of Chef Boy Logro, bang, 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 bang. So please, Bangs, please join us over here. Again, round of applause, please, to our two Uno cover girls here this month. Palakpakan, please, mga kaibigan. So, right before we start, maybe just a couple of words from our girls over here. I'll start off with Dawn. I'm guessing that this is your first cover ever. How does it feel to be an Uno cover girl?
Siyempre, sobrang thankful ako and blessed na you guys chose me to be at least a cover for a month, diba? I'm very happy, so I'm very thankful. So, thank you.
How it was a bit challenging dahil chocolate yung theme ng inyong cover, pati yung pictorial mo sa loob. So, how did you prepare for the shoot and how challenging was the shoot for you?
Actually, for me, it wasn't that challenging. For me, it was very exciting because I love chocolate. So, when I found out the theme was chocolate, it's like super excited talaga ako. Like, oh my God, it's so me. Sabi ko, ang hilig ko sa chocolate para sa akin talaga to. So, ayun, sobrang excited talaga ako.
What was your favorite What was your favorite part in the pictorial? Because we were looking at some of the pictures that we posted online, and there was one part na we really saw how much you enjoy chocolate, di ba? Can you share with us your favorite picture from the whole shoot?
I guess it would be the last layout, yung nag-swimming na ako sa chocolate. Apo. Nasa pool ako ng chocolate.
Nasa pool ka ng chocolate?
Yes.
So, and so it was chocolate just all over the place. Okay, round of applause, please, Miss Dawn Jimenez. And of course, we have the lovely Miss Bangs Garcia. Now, Bangs, syempre si Bangs is no stranger to being a cover girl. Oh, actually, Bangs and I had a chance to work on a teleserye before. I think some time ago. Habang May Buhay, I think, was a teleserye which we used to work before. She's got a very strong work ethic. And, you know, Bangs is always in demand for many men's magazine covers. Now, I wanted to know, Bangs, what made this cover shoot different from the other shoots that you've done in the past? What was very interesting about this one?
First of all, gusto ko munang magpasalamat for having me grace on your cover for the first time. And I think the difference sa shoot ko this time was mas lumabas yung pagiging playful ko. And kasi in real life, mas bubbly talaga ako na person. So, during the shoot, it was a challenge for me na maging sexy pa rin kahit na goofy. Kasi goofy yung ano ko yung mga ibang poses ko. So, may tendency na nagiging bungis-ngis ako sa mga ibang photos. So, I tried my best na goofy and at the same time sexy pa rin. So, yun. Ayun, I had fun during the shoot. Parang hindi ako nag-photo shoot. Same with her.
No, interestingly enough, if you take a look at the photos of Bangs, then usually if you see men's magazines, lagi sila medyo seryoso yung may pout or seryoso sila. But if you look at Uno, this is the first time we're actually seeing the girls are really smiling ear to ear on their cover. How did you feel about that? Were you worried that baka mawala yung sexy image ko or tayo project because I'm smiling and I'm in mga cheesy, I mean, they're very funny but they're also very sexy poses at the same time?
Actually, hindi ako nag-worry. Natuwa ako. Kasi syempre, gusto ko maging balance yung character ko all the time. Kasi ayoko maging, tingnan ako ng tao always as a sexy girl lang. So gusto ko, makikita nila na versatile ako, na pwede ako sa kahit na anong klaseng roles. So I'm really happy na nabigyan niyo ako ng chance na ipakita yung other side ko as Bangs Garcia.
And what's your favorite picture that you took in the workshop?
My favorite picture is the one I'm wearing white tank top. Tapos may hawak akong grenade. Kasi it's simply sexy and fierce at the same time. Hindi masyadong nagsho-show ng skin, pero at the same time, sexy pa rin siya. So, ayun.
Thank you very much, of course, Bangs and Dawn. Dawn, I have a question lang for you, Dawn. We last saw you on the job. Great first performance. We've enjoyed watching you over there. Where else can we see you nowadays? Saan ka may bago kang mga gigs coming up, movies, shows?
Ngayon po, nagsisimula na kami mag-taping ng Moon of Desire. So, makikita niyo po ako sa Moon of Desire. Showing na po siya I think sa March or sa April